Hello and welcome to all of you. This time I am going to tell you Visual Basic. There are two chapters of Visual Basic that I am going to show you. So let's me share my screen. Okay, we have to open Visual Basic. So this is my computer. I have to open Visual Basic. First of all, I will show you the book content, what are there in your book. So come to the page number 77. Introduction to Visual Basic. This is your chapter. And chapter 6 and chapter 7 both are based on Visual Basic. First is Introduction to Visual Basic, and chapter 7 that is more on Visual Basic. So let's see. First of all, we have to see the computer language. What is computer language? So whenever we're talking about a language, means we are going to communicate from one person to another person, and the things which were responsible for communication between that two things, that is called medium. And computer language is a medium of communication that communicate between user and computer, means it's understand the machine language and translate into user language, and again whenever user interact with machine, then it convert users interaction into machine instructions. So computer language has its own vocabulary, and being a machine, it understands the vocabulary as per symbol and their own language. These symbol must be used according to the rules of the language while writing a program. Now, whenever if I have tell you the computer language is a medium of communication, then it's need to be a instruction set of symbols for the language. And whenever we're talking about instruction, then it's a computer program that are a set of instruction that tells computer to perform task and process data into information. Means computer language are the group of instruction that tells computer to perform a necessary task and process data into information. The process of writing these instruction is called programming, because that process is called the program writing instruction process is called programming. And these people who deal such things, they are called programmer. So programming language is a set of words, symbols and codes that are used to write a computer program. And Visual Basic is the best example of programming language. Visual Basic is that now let's see the history of Visual Basic. It's a programming language from Microsoft based on BASIC, that is beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code language, but it's more graphically designed for Windows operating system. So it was the version of BASIC which you have already learned in class 6, that is beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. That time you have learned QBasic. It's a mode mono screen, and now this time you have to see the graphical version of that basic, and it's called Visual Basic. And it is designed easy to use and learn, and this language not only allow programmer to create simple application but also develop fairly complex application as well. As you can create your own program depending on your objective with Visual Basic. So in Visual Basic you can do all the things which you are doing in a program. It's a high level language and version of basic. So let's see what is object, instruction and event. So I'm going to show you the Visual Basic, how to open Visual Basic along with object, instruction and event. So for opening Visual Basic, if we don't have any software for Visual Basic 6, so I'm going to open Microsoft Excel. So it's a version of 2007. I'm going to open 2007 version. It's installing. Sometimes some files is missing, so at the time of internet, is it's receiving file from internet, and configuration process will be going to complete. So it will take 2 minutes time in my computer. So wait for 2 minutes, that will be configured. Another way, we are watching object, instruction and event. So whenever any components we are incorporating on the Visual Basic form, that will call objects. So whatever components we going to have, on the form that is called object. So it is the first step to build a program using Visual Basic objects. Objects include items such as button, text box, and labels. That is button, text box, and label. So Excel is now open. So first of all, we have to check whether developer tab is available or not. So it's available already. If it is not available, then what happen? We go to Excel option and go to customize option. We will see, sorry, advanced option. We will see is there a developer tab. Actually it is already there, so it's not shown. If it is not there, then it's shown as a developer tag. To tick on there and you will get the developer tag on your tab. So it's already there. So I'm going to close this window and click on the developer tag. डेवलपर टैब को जैसे हमने ओपन किया है, द विजुअल बेसिक ऑप्शन इज शोन हियर. यहाँ पे विजुअल बेसिक का ऑप्शन शो कर रहा है. नाउ यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन हियर and you will get that screen, Visual Basic Book 1. You have that screen. Now what we have to do, we have to click on Insert User Form. एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम हम लोग बनाएंगे. We will make a small program to understand what is object, what is instruction, and what is event. So I'm going to click on here, that is insert user form. This is our user form, and besides user form there is a control. This is called toolbox. This is called toolbox. First of all, we must know the components of Visual Basic. So this is the screen of Visual Basic. That is Project Explorer window. That is property window. Right now it's form user form 1 property. It's user form 1 property. If you want to change the name of form, you can caption here caption option is there and you can change it. So there's no need to change that user form, and that is called toolbox. And here we are going to take the components, and whenever we incorporate the component, drag the components from toolbox on the user form, then it is called object. So I'm going to drag the components. First I'm going to have a label. I'm going to have a label, and that will be adjusted according to the screen and according to our need. Okay, then second level, actually I'm going to sum addition for two numbers. So that is second level. Next level, it's label, label, it's label, not level. So third, and so first level will be demonstration for what we are going to do. Second is for input, third is for input, and fourth is for output. अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ प्रोग्राम. एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम हम लोग बनाएंगे विजुअल बेसिक के थ्रू, और मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे विजुअल बेसिक में हम 2 नंबर के सम का एक प्रोग्राम, छोटा सा प्रोग्राम हम करेंगे. एंड देन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन 4 लेवल. फर्स्ट लेवल का कैप्शन हम मिटाएंगे, इट्स कैप्शन हियर, एंड चेंज इट एज अ सम ऑफ 2 नंबर. Here we can change the font size. Here we can change the font size and style. So I'm going to have Times New Roman. It's pulled and size is 20. I'm going to take the size as 20. So this is the first label. Second label, it will be for input for first number. So enter first number. Second, enter second number. Enter second number. And next is, that is for result. That is for result. And for first number we will have a text box for input. एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स हमें रखना होगा जिससे हमें इनपुट लेने में हेल्प मिलेगी. So I have taken first text box, then take second text box, that is second text box, and then for output we will have another text box for output. So this is the third text box for output. And we can have a command button. We need to have a command button for our program operation. अब हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे, command button पे क्लिक करेंगे and we can drag the command button here. And command button में हम अपने प्रोग्राम को लिखेंगे, but we should change the caption. And that will be sum. That will be sum. And we can change the font size and font style. Right now it's not selecting at a time. You can select all the items at once. आप एक बार में भी select कर रहे हैं. Right now there's a problem at my end, so it's not selecting. But you can select. I'm trying to select, but it's not selected. Now it's selected. Now it's selected. I'm selecting text box also, because whenever we will have input, जब हम input लेंगे तो हमें text box पता चलेगा. So taking font size, it will be 18 bold times New Roman. Okay. So अभी हमारे पास ये फॉर्म रेडी हो गया है. Now that level, so four level we have taken, and there are three text box. Four level we have taken and three text box are there and one command button is there. So these all are called object. These all are called objects. So ये क्या बोले जाते हैं, objects बोले जाते हैं. And the label is, the label work as a instruction. ये क्या कर रहा है, instruct कर रहा है कि हमें इस box में पहला number ही input करना है. Then in second box, that instructed to enter second number in second box, and then whenever we click on some button, then output will produce on the third number, and that show the label that it's here, it's output. So they are instructed, and whenever we click on the some button, it's generate an event, and it is also called action. It is called event and or action. So event in a Visual Basic might be the result of an action that user initiate. For example, user click on a button. जब भी हम button पे click करते हैं, that is called event. Now data type, what will be the data type? Okay, so these three boxes are there, and in these boxes I am going to enter the record. So record may be number, record may be text. So it's depend on their data types. So first it will be number or text. So I have already taken, I have already captioned it, I have already labeled it, enter first number, so definitely it will be a number. Then I'm going to take sum of two numbers, so definitely it will be number only. So here I'm going to take numeric data type. So what will be in the numeric data type? That will be integer, that will be float, that will be double, that will be long integer. And whenever we will have a non-numeric data type, then it will be a string, boolean, date, time, and so on, so on. That will be shown in your book also. So numeric data type, that will be byte, integer, long integer, decimal, single, double, and currency. All have their own number of range, all have their own specialties when we are going to have some this type of numeric data type. All are different from each other, and this is non-numeric data type, that is string, boolean, variant, object, and date and time. So let's see the program. I am going to write the code for some button. I'm double click here and code window is opened now. Here I'm going to public instead of private, and here and first of all I will have first of all it's command button 3 shown, it's command button 3. So first of all we will check whether I'm going to take code, is it command button 1 or command button 2 or command button 3. If it is command button 3, so we will delete the first two command buttons and we will have only one command button. So let's see the screen. So delete C. That is the command button 2, and that is command button 1. That is command button 1. You can see in property window also it's command button 1. It's shown as a command button 1. Now it's command button 1. We will change it. Change the font size. Times New Roman, and the size will be 18. I'm going to take size as 18. Now double quote here and see, you will get your command button here. And here dim is a variable, dim is a keyword used to have a data type. Data type को जब भी हम डिक्लेयर करते हैं dim variable, dim स्टेटमेंट के साथ करते हैं. Dim a, b, c as integer. अभी हम integer कर रहे हैं because it's non numeric data type. So that is integer data type we are going to have in this program. Okay. And that will be public, not private. अभी मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा when we are going to have it public and when we are going to have it private. When we want to access anywhere, anyone can access, then we can use public, and if you want to use separately, then it will be private. So we have taken already 3 text box. हम लोगों ने 3 text box already ले रखे प्रोग्राम में. Text box 1, text box 2 and text box 3. So text box 1 is for first input, text box 2 is for second input, and text box 3 is used for showing output. So a, our first variable, that is a, it, our first variable, that is a, that will hold the value of text box 1 text. Okay, then variable b means second variable, that will hold the value of text box 2. Okay, and the third variable c is used to calculate a plus b, that is operators equal to is a relational operator and plus is a arithmetic operator. So we can have the operator also, and finally we will produce the value of c in a text box 3, in a text box 3, that is c. Okay, if I'm going to run this program, that will not add because it's considered as a text value, and that will concatenate. Let's run the program. So it asks for the first number. I have taken 45. In second it's 25. So the result will be 4525. What it means? It's concatenate. इसको text value as a consider कर रहा है. It's considered as a text value. So what we will do? We will have a value of that text box. So we can have val, and that will be in a bracket. That will be in a bracket. That is again, that will be in a bracket, and that is val. And we can do one thing more. एक काम हम और कर सकते हैं, उसके font size को हम change कर सकते हैं. So it's copying the text box. So we will not copy the text box. Text box 1, the size will be, font will be increasing 16, and second text box 2, that is 18, and text box 3, that is for output. Change the size. When we run the program, then it shows the size of data type. Now run the program. First number, that will be 45. Second number, that will be 25. Let's see the output. It's 70. Earlier it was shown as 4525. Now it's shown as 70. So it's a sum of two numbers we have calculated by Visual Basic. So it's a simple program of Visual Basic we have calculated. So again, we will see our program. That is our program window. That is our user form, and that is our program window. So in this chapter number 6 and chapter number 7, both more on Visual Basic and advanced feature, or introduction to Visual Basic and more on Visual Basic, both based on these things, means simple program. And in this chapter looping is also there, so we will see. So there is a variable. So what is a variable? So we have taken dim ABC as integer, that is called variable, because dim statement declare the variable and assigning a value, assigning the text box value to that variable. So अभी हमने प्रोग्राम में देखा था, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1 की जो वैल्यू थी उसे हमने ए वेरिएबल में स्टोर किया, देन टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 2 की जो वैल्यू थी उसे हमने बी वेरिएबल में स्टोर किया, एंड फाइनली हमने ऑपरेशन करके सी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस ऑपरेशन करके उस वैल्यू को टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 3 में हमने ट्रांसफर कर दिया, एंड दैट विल शो द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 3 वैल्यू. Then operator, we have used the operator, conditional operator, logical operator, and that is the program. How to start the program? That is Visual Basic 6.0 जिसे हमें install करना पड़ता. So if we don't have Visual Basic 6.0, then don't panic, and just if you have Microsoft Excel, then you can use Microsoft Visual Basic program. And in next chapter, that shown how to take controls, that is Visual Basic window. It's shown toolbox, menu bar, toolbar, form, project container window, project explorer window, properties window, form layout window. We have to see three things: user form, property windows, and control toolbox. So these three things are there. उसे और उसे ही हम अपने प्रोग्राम में यूज करेंगे. प्रोजेक्ट कंटेनर विंडो, फॉर्म, प्रोजेक्ट एक्सप्लोरर विंडो. नाउ एंटरिंग कोड, हाउ टू एंटर कोड, डबल क्लिक करते हैं और हम कोड एंटर करते हैं. सी, ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एडिंग कंट्रोल, कंट्रोल्स का मतलब होता है जो टूल बॉक्स से हम ड्रैग करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंट्रोल्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन while using a program. So I hope you will understand how to add text box in the form, how to add command button in the form, and the difference between label and text box. Label is only a display static text. It display the text which cannot be changed during the runtime, and text box की value को हम runtime में change करेंगे. Then next program में मैं आपको बताऊंगा how to use list box in your form, and how to use looping. Looping का concept मैं आपको बताऊंगा. This is the sum of two number, it's a program. Then looping का concept होगा, which I will tell you. So thank you for today's class.